Feeling lost in the world of web development? Want to build amazing websites and apps but don't know where to start? Whether you are a beginner or aiming to level up your skills, this is the right place for you. I am iFarouq, and in this channel, I make web development simple, fun, and accessible. From HTML and CSS to advanced frameworks and full-stack development, every video is packed with clear instructions, practical tips, and real-world examples to help you grow as a developer. This channel is all about you. Your questions shape the content here. So drop your coding challenge in the comments and I will cover them in upcoming videos. From building your first web page and launching complete applications, I will guide you every step of the way. Join our community of developers learning, sharing, and creating amazing projects. Don't wait. Hit subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's start building something incredible.